Hello everyone, this is Prakriti Raghuvanshi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting lesson 2 of French class 10, Apres Le Bac. So we'll start with the comprehension and we will today do the comprehension exercises. So let's start. First of all, कौन सा aurait fini mon bac ça ferait d'études technologiques. When I finish my bac, I will do technological studies. Ali says, après mon bac ça irai à la fac. After my bac, I will go to the college. Pauline says, Salut Ali. Ali says, Salut Pauline, ça va? So Pauline says, Hello Ali. Ali says, Hello Pauline, how are you? So Pauline says, Ça va, pourquoi tu es inquiète? I am good, but why are you looking worried? So Ali says, Je m'inquiète de l'avenir, quand j'aurai fini mon bac, je ne sais pas quoi faire. So Ali says, I am worried about my future. When I finish my bac, I don't know what to do. So Pauline says, why? Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce que tu desire faire? What do you want to do? Ali says, je veux in continue mes études à la université. I want to continue my studies at the university. Pauline says, bien. Et alors? Good. So what? So Ali says, what tous les études à l'université coûtent très cher. Mes parents au Sénégal auront-ils les moyens de payer les frais de mes études? So Ali says, as you know, studying in a university is very expensive, and my parents in Senegal will do not have the means to pay for such expensive studies. Pauline says, pourquoi faut-il dépendre entirement de tes parents? Tu pourras avoir des bourses du government and plus tu pourras trouver des emplois à mi-temps. So Pauline says, why should you depend entirely on your parents? You can find government grants. In addition, you can find the part-time job for yourself. So let's see the next slide. So Ali says, for example, Pauline says, le soir, quand tu seras rentré de la université, après les cours, tu pourras trouver des petits emplois comme faire du babysitting ou laver la voiture ou travailler dans un supermarché et ainsi tu pourras gagner ce qu'il faut pour faire l'étude. So Pauline says, in the evening, when you get back from university, after classes, you can find small jobs like babysitting or washing a car or working in the supermarket, etc. So you can earn money for what you need to study. Ali says, Merci beaucoup pour tes conseils. Tes paroles m'ont beaucoup saoulé. Bien. So Ali says, Thank you very much for your advice. Your words gave me a lot relief. Good. À propos, quels sont les projects? What about your project? So Pauline says, les lettres et les sciences humaines ne m'intéressent pas. J'ai envie de faire the autre étude. The letter and human science do not interest me. I want to do other studies. So Ali asks, comme quoi? Like what? Pauline says, je voudrais entrer dans un IUT faire mes études de technology. So Pauline says, I would like to enter an IUT to study technology. So Ali says, ces courses ne sont-ils pas chers? Are these courses not expensive? Pauline says, si. Mes parents sont assez riches pour payer mes études. Quand je serai sorti de cet institut, je pourrai chercher an emploi. Yes, but my parents are rich enough to pay for my studies. When I enter this institute, I will look for a job for myself. So Ali says, bien, bonne chance, good luck. Pauline says, bonne chance à toi aussi. Good luck to you as well. Now we'll do the questions. So first is dit, vrai ou faux. Tell true or false. The first question is, Pauline va faire ses études à la université. So Pauline want to study in university. It is false. She want to study in IUT. So second is on Apres Le Bac dan Lissy. It is true, vrai? Lit études à l'université ne coûtent pas cher. This faux. We read that the courses are expensive. On suit the course technology than IUT. It is rare we get technological courses in IUT. Ali se interesse o letreto science swimming. It is rare. Now we'll do this question. This question is very important. This question is very important from the point of view of exam. So please learn it carefully. So infant is related to école maternelle. The infants are the infants enter école maternelle. Baccalaureate is related to lycée. Faculty is related to university. Technology is related to IUT, and brevet is related to college. Now we will do the last comprehension. It is related to the grammar part. Grammar part will come in the next video. The professor. Qu'est-ce que tu penses faire après ton bac? What are you thinking to do after your bac? L'elf, j'irai à l'université lorsque j'aurai mon bac. I will go to the university when I complete my bac. So the professor says, Et toi, que veux-tu faire après tes études à l'université? And you, where do you want to go after? Where do you want to go after the études in university? After studying in university? So the elf says, "Se partira à l'étranger cherche du travail quand j'aurai terminé mes études." I will go to abroad looking for a job when I complete my studies. So this was related to the grammar. You can see the underlined words. I will tell you about these in the next video. If you like the video, please click on the like icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And if you have not watched part 1, or you can say chapter 1 of French, so you can watch it. It is updated. It is uploaded in the playlist. I will give the link of the playlist in the description box. Thank you. You can join the Telegram channel for